Today is January 2nd, and today is a great and meaningful day in Haiti. It is the day when the Haitian people rise to prepare and enjoy good food, but above all, to remember, honor, and celebrate our ancestors. These ancestors fought, suffered, and sacrificed their lives so that we, as Black people, could today have freedom, dignity, and identity. Even though we continue to pay a very high price for that freedom today, because they did not want us to claim it with pride, this must not discourage us. We must stand firm. We must always show gratitude, honor, and respect for our ancestors. We must never lose our direction. This is why it is important for us to become aware, to rise up, and to show future generations our etiquette, values, and principles through the way we speak and the way we behave, both at home and abroad. We must gather ourselves and begin to educate ourselves so we know whom we choose to represent us as authorities. We must become demanding of our leaders and require them to respect our fundamental legal rights. We must fight for a state governed by the rule of law, a system where disorder has no place and where serious, competent, and principled people are the ones who lead. Happy Ancestors Day to all Haitian people. May our ancestors live within us.